Mind X Matrix unveils. Do you want to be smarter? Instantly? Of course, everyone likes quick win. In this video, I'm going to share with you some simple psychological tricks that can make you smarter, faster, and more creative. These tricks are proven to boost brain power and improve memory and overall cognitive abilities. Before making this video, I talked to many psychologists, and I've been studying these tricks for years. I've seen them work for myself and for my surrounding, and now I'm going to share them with you. So stick around because the last trick will amaze you. Trick 1, priming. Priming is the process of activating certain associations in the mind. For example, if you see a picture of a beach before taking a test, you are more likely to perform well on questions about vacation destinations. How to use it? You can use priming to your advantage in a variety of ways. For example, if you have a big presentation coming up, you could watch a video of a successful public speaker before you go on stage. Or, if you're trying to learn a new skill, you could surround yourself with people who are already good at that skill. Trick 2, power posing. Power posing is a body language technique that can boost your confidence and cognitive abilities. Simply stand up straight, put your hands on your hips, and expand your chest. How to use it? Power posing is especially effective before a stressful situation, such as a job interview or a big test. It can help you to feel more confident and in control. Trick 3, the name game. People are more likely to like and trust someone who knows their name. When you meet someone new, make an effort to remember their name and use it in conversation. This simple trick can make you more memorable and likable to others. It can also help you to build stronger relationships. If you want me to make videos on relationships, just tell me in comments, and if you do not want to miss any video, subscribe now and press the notification bell. Trick 4, active listening. Active listening is the skill of paying attention to what someone is saying and responding in a thoughtful way. When you are having a conversation with someone, make eye contact, nod your head, and ask clarifying questions. How to use it? Active listening is important for both personal and professional relationships. It shows that you are interested in what the other person has to say and that you respect their opinion. Trick 5, the Benjamin Franklin effect. The Benjamin Franklin effect is a psychological phenomenon in which people are more likely to like someone who has done them a favor. If you want to make someone like you, do them a small favor, such as lending them a pen or helping them with a task. How to use it? This trick can be used to build rapport with new people and to strengthen relationships with existing friends and colleagues. That's the wrap. These are just a few examples of psychological tricks that can help you to be smarter. With a little practice, you can use these tricks to improve your performance in all areas of your life. See you in next video with some other fascinating tips and tricks.